Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a top 5 favorite foundations. I've recently discovered most of these actually. I used to have combination skin and in the last few years it's turned quite dry, so that completely changed the kind of foundation I'm looking for. If you're interested in finding out what I like and why, keep watching. So my first foundation, and probably no, this one's my favorite, is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I watched a lot of reviews and did a lot of Googling. I've been having trouble with my skin, and it's a water foundation, so it's full coverage, and you can definitely build it up, which I really like. And it goes on, it doesn't feel cakey. And I really like that. So that was one of the first, I think actually my first Tarte foundation that I've ever purchased. I've heard good things about a lot of their foundations, so I'm definitely looking to try more. So that's my first one. My second favorite foundation is actually a drugstore foundation. I tend to buy more high-end products. We don't really have a lot of places here where you can buy drugstore foundations, so it's much easier for me to order off Sephora. And if you can buy the foundations here from a drugstore, they are probably just about as much as shopping at Sephora. So I really like the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I was kind of shocked at how much I liked it. I definitely like to use it with my beauty blender. I think you have the best results with that. I am in color 205 Natural Beige. It's claimed it's a 24-hour foundation, which I don't really think that's true, but it definitely, you can build up the coverage, it's hydrating, it has a radiant finish, it just makes you look like you have a filter on. It's very beautiful. I'm going to try a few more colors. I feel like they do have a pretty good color range and they are super affordable. If you have dry skin like I do, or even normal skin, I think this would probably work really good for you. I definitely recommend trying it. My third favorite foundation is, and I'm not really a stick foundation type of person, but until I tried the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick, I think it works best for people with normal to dry skin. I've heard a lot of people that have a little bit oilier skin, they tend to like the other stick foundations. I think this is absolutely amazing. I'm in color 123. It matches really well, and for a stick which is so thick, it actually blends into the skin quite nicely. I will usually draw it on my skin and then buff it in with a foundation brush and then go through and stipple with my beauty blender just to make sure it's really pushed in and so it doesn't look cakey. I love it. I've tried other stick foundations. This is the only one that I like. So that is my third. My fourth favorite foundation at the moment is the Este Lauder Double Wear. It says it stays in place, it's long lasting, it's full coverage, it's beautiful. The only thing that I ever hear negative about it is that it does have flashback, so if you're taking pictures, it's probably not your best option. I don't really ever leave my house unless I'm going to work, so it works good for me. I'm in color 1 and 2. But yeah, I definitely, if you like a full coverage foundation, I definitely recommend this foundation. And my last foundation is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. I don't know if this is true or not, but I have heard it is very similar, like a dupe for the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I'm way too fucking cheap to buy that because it's like $70, I think. So I tried this and I really didn't expect anything great. It is beautiful. It has a luminous finish. Like, I think all the products that I picked here have a luminous finish. I like that. It has SPF in it. It is great for dry skin. I ordered it in multiple colors just because I sometimes tan, sometimes I self-tan. I'm kind of all over the place. So it's definitely like so cheap that you can have multiple colors, which I really like. I've mixed it in with other foundations, and every time, doesn't matter what I mix it with, I'm happy with the result. Those are my top 5 favorite foundations at the moment. I would love to hear in the comments below what your favorite foundations are. If you like this video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments below what else you would like to see. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I will see you soon.